Come test drive the 2022 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires front performance, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.